The RAV4 you've been driving every day has 10 built-in features that Toyota never properly explained, and several of them are genuinely going to change how you use the vehicle. If you've owned one for years and still don't know your key fob can remote start the engine without a paid subscription, or that your rear-view mirror is hiding a live camera feed, you've been leaving real capability unused every single day. What Toyota buried inside its hardware, software, and design is going to make you rethink everything you assumed you knew. Here are 10 secret Toyota RAV4 features that 99% of owners don't know about. Number 10. Liftgate height memory. Here's one that's been frustrating RAV4 owners in garages for years. The power liftgate opens to maximum height every single time, and for anyone with a low ceiling, that ends with a dented door. What most owners don't realize is that the opening height is fully programmable. Toyota built the fix directly into the vehicle. It just never told anyone. Open the liftgate, stop it at the height you need, then press and hold the interior button until 4 beeps confirm the position is saved. Every subsequent opening stops there automatically. Preset heights are also selectable through vehicle settings in the instrument cluster, directly from the steering wheel. Both methods are saving drivers from expensive body repairs, yet most owners never look for either. That's one feature hiding in the liftgate, but the one sitting in your pocket every day might be even more useful. Number 9. Smart hidden features. The RAV4's smart key looks like a standard key fob, but press the small latch on the back and a physical metal key blade slides out. A fully functional emergency key built into the fob from the factory. Being stranded with a dead battery miles from help turns a bad day into an expensive one. That hidden blade is the difference between a 5-second fix and a tow truck. Beyond emergencies, hold the unlock button for a few seconds and every window is rolling down, including the moonroof, clearing a scorching cabin before you get in. Hold lock, and they're all closing again. Newer trims also support digital key functionality, turning a smartphone into a fully operational key. Most owners are carrying all of this capability daily and never knowing it. Not every hidden feature here solves a practical problem, though. Number 8 is about something else entirely. Number 8. In-cabin Easter eggs. Scattered through the interior are small topographic patterns, adventure-themed icons, and miniature logos worked into cup holders, upholstery stitching, and trim surfaces. These details are Toyota's quiet acknowledgement of the RAV4's adventure-ready identity embedded into the design, rather than printed on a spec sheet. The payoff comes accidentally. Someone spots a mountain range pressed into a cup holder, and suddenly the vehicle feels like it has a personality it didn't have before. That's intentional design working exactly as Toyota planned it. Those details cost nothing to find, but the next one is hiding something that could save you real money every month. Number 7. Subscription-free remote start. Many RAV4 owners are paying a monthly fee for Remote Connect, mainly to start their vehicle remotely. What the dealer likely never mentioned is that the key fob can already do it for free. Anyone who's dropped into a seat baking in direct sun or scraped ice off the inside of a windshield knows exactly why this matters. That frustration has a built-in solution. On vehicles with Audio Plus or higher packages, press lock twice quickly, then press and hold lock a third time for at least 3 seconds. The parking lights flash and the engine is starting. The climate system picks up from its last setting, heating or cooling the cabin before you reach the door. The engine shuts off after 10 minutes and cuts immediately if any door opens. If that monthly bill has been going out mainly for this feature, this sequence is worth knowing. Number 6. Low-speed trick angles. Moving forward at low speed, the cameras switch between wide front views, side perspectives, and a stitched top-down image showing the vehicle's exact position. In tight parking situations or narrow trails, this delivers situational awareness that rivals vehicles costing far more. A forward wide-angle view also lets you see around corners before edging through them, invaluable at blind intersections, and useful for checking tire placement off-road. The capability is there, most owners just never push past the default reverse view. Eyes around the vehicle are one thing, but number 5 is about what the RAV4 is doing mechanically, where most compact SUVs simply run out of answers. Number 5. True capability of multi-terrain select. On Adventure, TRD Off-Road, and certain all-wheel drive limited trims, there's a dial most owners treat as decoration. Multi-Terrain Select is fundamentally reprogramming how the RAV4 handles the terrain beneath it. Mud and Sand mode does something counterintuitive. It allows controlled wheel spin on purpose, giving tires room to dig through loose material while the throttle prioritizes momentum. Rock and Dirt mode works opposite. Throttle response softens, and traction control brakes individual wheels almost instantly, redirecting power wherever grip exists. The result is deliberate, controlled movement across surfaces that would stop a standard crossover cold. Number 4. Highly adaptable digital rear-view mirror. This looks exactly like a standard auto-dimming mirror, which is precisely why most owners never investigate further. Flip the lever used for the traditional day/night setting, and the mirror becomes a high-resolution LCD screen fed by a live camera inside the rear hatch glass. Anyone who's reversed a fully loaded RAV4 with cargo stacked high and visibility nearly gone knows how quickly that turns stressful. This system eliminates that problem entirely. The menu button opens adjustments for brightness, tilt, pan, and zoom, a rear perspective tailored to the driver's exact position. At night, it delivers a cleaner image than any conventional mirror could. In heavy rain, water on the lens can briefly obscure the feed. Flipping back is an instant fix. The camera's position inside the glass protects it from grime and debris year-round. The mirror improves your view, but the next feature is working without your knowledge, and it matters most when things start going wrong. Number 3. Built-in trailer sway control. Towing with a compact SUV carries real anxiety, particularly when a trailer starts moving in ways it shouldn't. What most RAV4 owners don't realize is that a trailer sway correction system is already running constantly in the background. That slow, sickening sideways oscillation that builds faster than any driver can react is exactly what this system catches first. The RAV4 is resolving instability before the driver has time to feel it, applying precise brake pressure to individual wheels to bring vehicle and trailer back into alignment, quietly, without drama. No activation, no setup. The system runs anytime a trailer is attached, integrated directly into the RAV4's stability control architecture. For owners who've been towing without knowing this existed, it reframes everything. Trailer sway control is already running, but the next feature is about what's been hiding in spaces you walk past every day. Number 2. Hidden storage compartments. The RAV4 is carrying significantly more storage than the visible surfaces suggest. Under the rear cargo floor sits a hidden bin, separate from the spare tire well, sized for a first aid kit, jumper cables, or valuables kept out of sight. The cargo floor is reversible. Carpet side up for daily use. Hard plastic side up when things are going to get messy. Raised, it aligns flush with folded seats for a flat load surface. Lowered, it adds vertical cargo room. A shelf above the glove box handles phones and wallets. A slim slot beside the steering column fits a toll pass perfectly. Something most drivers never find. Impressive storage, but the most underestimated engineering in this vehicle has been operating underneath it since day one, completely invisible. Number 1. Dynamic torque vectoring and rear driveline disconnect. Here's the feature that places certain RAV4 trims in a completely different category. Dynamic torque vectoring all-wheel drive on the Adventure, TRD Off-Road, and Limited is not a basic all-wheel drive system. Most drivers assume all-wheel drive works the same everywhere. That assumption underestimates what's happening underneath this vehicle significantly. In corners, the system sends more power to the outside rear wheel, pushing through the turn with stability and reduced understeer. Off-road, it directs torque to whichever wheel has grip, redistributing proactively before traction is lost. Up to 50% of engine torque goes to the rear axle, with left-to-right distribution handled by dedicated couplings. Then there's rear driveline disconnect. During highway cruising, the rear drive shaft disengages entirely, running in front-wheel drive to eliminate drag and save fuel. The moment conditions shift, the rear axle re-engages instantly without any driver input. Most people assume all-wheel drive systems work the same way. The RAV4's TV all-wheel drive has been proving otherwise, quietly, since the day it left the factory. 10 features across one of the most common SUVs on the road, and most owners go through years of ownership without knowing any of them exist. The liftgate remembers your garage height, the key fob starts the engine for free, the rearview mirror is running a live camera feed. The all-wheel drive system is disconnecting and reconnecting its own rear drive shaft without a single prompt from the driver. None of this appears in the standard dealership walkthrough, but it's all there, built into a vehicle most people assume has no surprises left. The RAV4 has always rewarded the owners willing to look past the surface, and now that you know where to look, the vehicle in your driveway is already a more capable machine than it was an hour ago. But don't think that the RAV4 is the only model on the market that hides so many interesting secrets. The key rival, the CR-V, also comes with them, which you can check out in our next video. From the auto shutter grille to the customizable dashboard, this crossover hides things that can drastically change your ownership experience.